Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we will understand how to append queries in Power BI Query Editor. So to understand this, I will open the dataset which is Append. In this dataset, in the month of January, we are having company and its sales. In the month of February, company and its sales. And month of March. Now we want to append all these three sheets into one sheet. How we can do? Let's close this. We'll go in Power BI, Excel workbook, Append, open, click on January, March, and February. Transform the data. Now you can see the month of January, March, and February. Now click on March. Go in Append Queries. Append Queries as new. Three or more tables. Transfer January. Yeah. Transfer February here. Click OK. Done. Now you can see Append 1. All the three have been appended into one. So this is how you can append queries in Power BI. For more such videos on Power BI, you can refer my playlist in which I have uploaded many videos on Power BI. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Please like and share my videos on Power BI. You can also join me on LinkedIn and Twitter, link given in the description box.